Okay, this is the synopsis of the course. This course covers important elements of accounting principles and financial accounting information in business. The course concepts, profit margin and budgeting for business decision making are emphasized. Okay. So, in our first meeting, I have told you about the simple definition of accounting. So always remember, accounting is a process to record business transaction and also to calculate profit or loss for a business. That is the very simple and basic definition for accounting. When we start the first lecture, for the first topic, you will learn a more detailed definition for accounting. Okay, so this course contain 10 topics. You can see here 10 topics. So the first 5 topics are related to financial accounting. Financial accounting is the accounting that can be used to record business transaction and to calculate profit for a business. So the first topic here, you can see it is about the introduction to accounting. You will learn about role of accounting in business, differences between financial accounting and management accounting, component of financial statement, accounting principles and assumption, and the element of financial statement. That is the thing in topic 1. Topic 2, you will start to learn the accounting process, or you will learn how to do accounting record. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subtopics in topic 2. Topic 3, you still will learn about the accounting record, how to do accounting record. And in topic 4, you will learn about how to prepare the output of financial accounting. When you do the recording, and the final output of the recording process is called financial statement. That is the thing that you will learn in topic 4. In topic 5, you will learn about financial statement analysis. In this topic, you will learn 3 methods that can be used to analyze a financial statement and also to make a good conclusion from the statement or financial statement that you see. You can make a conclusion like this: whether the business is a good place to invest or not, whether the business will perform well in the future or not, etc. Okay, that the first 5 topics. These first 5 topics are related to financial accounting. Topic 6 to topic 10 are related to management accounting. Management accounting is the accounting that you can use to help manager to make business decision, and also to help manager to make good plan for a business. Okay, topic 6 is I can say that topic 6 is a topic that introduce you to management accounting. What is management accounting? Who are the main user of management accounting? What is the definition of cost? When you learn about management accounting, you will learn many aspects about cost, how to calculate cost for a product, etc. Topic 7, you will learn about job costing system. Job costing system is a method that you can use to calculate cost for a job. You will learn about that in detail in topic 7. Topic 8 is a topic about cost, volume, profit analysis. There are 4 subtopics there, so you will learn about that. Topic 9 is about budgeting. Budgeting is very important. At personal level, you will have a budget. When you receive your allowance from your sponsor or your parent, you will have a a budget for yourself, like how much you want to spend for food or meal, how much you want to spend for entertainment, how much you want to spend for clothing, etc. So in this topic 9, you will learn about budgeting for a business. If you have a business or you manage a business, how to do budget for your business. There are 3 subtopics there. Topic number 10 is about capital budgeting and investment evaluation methods. In this topic, you will learn about how to make decision when you want to purchase a fixed asset for your business. For example, you have a business, at one time you want to purchase a new machine. When you want to purchase a machine, you have many choices. Machine brand A, brand B, brand C, brand D, for example. So how to choose the best machine for your business? So that is the thing that you will learn in topic 10. You will learn about how to make decision about the purchase of fixed asset for a business. So that are the topics that will be covered in this course. Okay, now I will explain about the assessment. Remember I told you about this in the meeting. So in this course, final exam is 40% only, and the final exam is like 2 hours only. Most of the marks are coming from the courseworks. The courseworks has 3 categories. First, you will have to do a quiz. That quiz will be done in around week 4 or week 5. You have to do the quiz using the e-textbook that you will have to purchase for this course. In that e-textbook, there is a system. It is called Connect by McGraw-Hill, the publisher of the book. So using that system, the lecturer will create a quiz there. The quiz are mostly multiple choice question, and then what else? Most of the time I will give you 1 hour to answer the quiz. So the mark is, I think, 15 marks. That's a lot, 15 marks. So make sure you do the quiz. I can do 1 quiz or I can do 2 quizzes, but it is around 15%. And then you will have a mid-semester test. Mid-semester test will be done in week 10. The mid-semester test will cover topic 1 to topic 5. And the mark for the mid-semester test is 25 marks. So it is very important. You have to score in the mid-semester test. And then you will have assignment. Maybe 1 assignment, maybe 2 assignments, so maybe 4 assignments. Like in the previous semester, I have done or given 4 assignments. And in the previous semester, I did the assignment using the e-textbook system. So you have to answer to do the assignment by log in to the e-textbook, and then you have to answer several questions there. Okay, final exams is, like I said earlier, 40%. The topic that will appear in the final exam is topic 6 to topic 10. Okay, you will know the detail about the final exam later. Okay, now this is the textbook. The textbook is Wild and Shaw, 2021 Fundamental Accounting Principle, 25th edition. McGraw-Hill by McGraw-Hill. So when you purchase this textbook, you will get a system called Connect by McGraw-Hill. I will give you you have to purchase the textbook from the textbook shop in Malaysia. You have to, I will give you a link to the textbook shop. You have to fill the form there, a Google form, and then you have to deposit you have to pay the textbook using online banking. And then after that, later you will get the ID and password for the e-textbook, and then you can use the ID and password to log in into the textbook website. Very easy. In next week, I will arrange for a demo session, so every student can join the demo session and see how during the demo session a person from the publisher of the textbook will explain about how to use the e-textbook. The person will explain about how to read the textbook, how to do exercises, how to do assignment, how to do quizzes, how to watch videos related to the things that you learn in the class, etc. So the textbook is very good. It is user friendly, it is not very expensive, and very useful. Okay, that's all the thing that I want to explain about this. Thank you very much. Please, I hope you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can see past videos and future videos related to this course. And also, do not forget to write your name and matric number in the comment section of this video. I will take that as the attendance for the lecture today. Thank you very much.